Welcome to Romania, a land of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. This country is a hidden gem of Europe, where ancient traditions meet modern innovation. It's a place where every street has a story, where medieval castles stand tall, and where warm hospitality makes visitors feel at home. From the legendary Transylvania, home to the Dracula myth, to the vibrant capital Bucharest, Romania offers a mix of history, mystery, and beauty. Join us as we take you on a journey to explore Romania's rich heritage, cultural traditions, and the daily life of its people. Whether you're here to learn, be inspired, or simply explore, this journey will leave you fascinated by the soul of Romania. Romania's history is a fascinating journey through time. The land was once home to the ancient Dacians, a brave and powerful civilization that thrived over 2,000 years ago. However, in 106 AD, the mighty Roman Empire conquered Dacia, leaving behind a lasting legacy, the Romanian language, which has strong Latin roots. Over the centuries, Romania was shaped by the influences of various empires. The Ottomans, the Austro-Hungarians, and the Russians all left their mark. Despite these challenges, Romania's people fought for their independence. One of the most significant moments in history was in 1918, when the different regions, Wallachia, Moldavia, and Transylvania, united to form modern Romania. This moment is still celebrated every year on December 1st as Great Union Day. From medieval castles to the revolutions that shaped its present, Romania's past is filled with resilience and pride. But history is only one part of its story. Its culture is just as fascinating. Culture in Romania is a celebration of life, family, and history. The country is famous for its folk dances like hora, where people join hands and dance in a circle, symbolizing unity and joy. Music is also an essential part of Romanian culture, with instruments like the kobza and nai pan flute, producing mesmerizing melodies. Festivals are at the heart of Romanian traditions. Mărțișor, celebrated on March 1st, marks the arrival of spring. People exchange red and white trinkets as symbols of love and new beginnings. Another beautiful tradition is Dragobete, Romania's own version of Valentine's Day, which celebrates love and nature. Romanian craftsmanship is another treasure. The beautifully carved wooden gates of Maramureș tell stories of generations past, while pottery from Horezu is a UNESCO-recognized art form. Whether through dance, music, or crafts, Romania's culture is an expression of its rich heritage. What is life like in Romania? It's a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity. In cities like Bucharest and Cluj-Napoca, you'll find a fast-paced urban lifestyle. Young professionals are shaping Romania's future in technology, business, and the arts. The country is known for its highly skilled IT professionals, making it one of Europe's fastest-growing tech hubs. But in rural areas, life moves at a slower pace. Here, traditions are preserved, and families live in close-knit communities. Food plays a major role in Romanian daily life. A typical meal includes sarmale, delicious cabbage rolls stuffed with meat and rice, and mamaliga, a type of polenta served with cheese and sour cream. Food is not just a necessity. It's a way to bring people together. Romania's landscapes are nothing short of magical. The Carpathian Mountains are home to rich wildlife, from brown bears to lynxes. Nature lovers can hike, ski, or explore ancient caves hidden in the forests. One of Romania's most stunning locations is the Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is one of Europe's best-preserved wetlands, where over 300 species of birds and rare fish thrive. For those who love the sea, the Black Sea coast offers golden beaches and historic sites, such as the ancient Greek city of Histria. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Romania's natural beauty has something for everyone. Romania is a country on the rise. It has become a center for innovation and technology, attracting young entrepreneurs from around the world. Cities like Bucharest and Timișoara are buzzing with cultural and artistic events, from film festivals to street performances. While Romania embraces modernity, it also holds on to its traditions. It's a country that respects its past while moving towards the future. With a growing economy, rich cultural scene, and breathtaking landscapes, Romania is a place full of possibilities. Romania is more than just a country. It's an experience, a story, a feeling. Whether you come for its history, traditions, or landscapes, one thing is certain: Romania will leave a lasting impression on your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the